Hello friends, in this lecture we will see constant jet finishing, and this strategy is to create the toolpath by slicing the model in a specific Z direction. So it will cut in Z direction, okay, and it will create on the vertical or near about the vertical faces, okay. And here undercut, if you want to create this machining on the undercut area, so we have to use some T cutter tool, like T cutter tool, then only it will cut, okay. And on the flat surface, if you will select this machine down to flat option, if you select this option, so it will create a tool path on the bottom of the steep feature. This is all steep feature on the bottom of this. It will create a toolpath. Okay, so let's see this with the power wheel. So this is my model, and here in this model I have already done this roughing operation. Okay, so hide it. Now I want to do constant jet finishing. So click it, and first I'm going to define a tool. So click here tool, and I'm going to use this ball mill, and ball mill with a 16 dia. Okay, and now directly here, constant jet finishing, we can create this constant jet finish operation in two way. Means if you want to cut level base, so if you have some multiple pockets, multiple boss, so that time we can use this region. First it will finish first region, then only it will go to the another one. And same here with the label, it will cut the first label on the both region, and then it will go to the first one and then second one. So it will level based, as we have discussed in model area clearance. Okay, so this is we are going to keep this region, and my tolerance is 30 micron, and thickness is 0 because I want to finish it, and the step over is 1, and I'm going to change it to 0.5. Okay, and let's generate it. Okay, so this will come, and just verify it. I want to verify the second one. The constant jet is going to create tool path over the vertical or near about the vertical edge. Okay, on the vertical faces it is creating this tool path. Okay, if there is a flat surface, it is not creating. Okay, add it, and here link is scheme, and lead in lead out if you want to add. Okay, but here it is scheme. The links are scheme, and Z level profiling. Okay, if you want to cut this undercut, okay, for that undercut, I am going to open a new model, so just wait. Okay, and just save it. So my next model is I'm importing undercut. Okay, this is the model. So here first create a block. Okay, the size is not properly, so how to create the block for this? So first of all, I'm going to create a boundary. So create a boundary, user define, and with composite curve, and click over this edge. So this is my boundary. I want to create my stock as per this boundary, and we have already covered all the option available in the block. So this is the boundary, and the thickness is 25. Draw, no, it is 28. Okay, now I'm going to define the tool, and my tool is 8.0. 45 is the length. I want to add the holder. Close. Now directly I'm using this finishing operation, but first we have to create the roughing operation and semi finish operation, and then this finish operation. Okay, and from here, for the training purpose, I'm directly using this constant z offset with undercut. Okay, click here. Okay, and this is reason based. Okay, and 30 micron thickness, rest option are the same, just calculate it and see. Here it is creating the toolpath, but it is skipping this undercut area. Okay, and if I am going to change, I want to add this undercut area, or I will calculate, so it will not create because of tool. The tool will not go under this area, so we have to change the tool. Okay, it is going to skip it, so remove it. Okay, and calculate. This is my first, and now copy it, and now I'm going to create a tool for that. So okay, and here we have to use this tip disk. Okay, and this is one, and that is, this undercut area is 3, so 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 10, 16, so near about 16. And the shank I'm going to add is 864. Okay, no problem, and the length 15, and close. So this is my tool. So now I'm going to create the same option with this. This is my tool, and click here and define the tool. This is my tool, and here I want to use this undercut, and the rest option are the same, just calculate, and let's see the result, whether it is cutting the undercut area or not. I did. Now see. Okay, and okay, and if you want to simulate it, just see this and simulate. Now it is going under undercut area. So thank you for watching. See you in next lecture.